Hi guys, welcome back to another video. You don't know it's your girl Toya. Yes, if it's your first time here, welcome to the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, big up on yourself. Yeah. All right, so guys, real quick, this is not a planned video. It's a hurry come up video kind of sort of thing. So I was here minding my own business, and I got a notification that the Carters dropped the video of, you know, the unboxing of the gift that, you know, the portrait that Poppy did for Crissy. So I have not seen, you know, the frame or anything, because Poppy was so excited to send it off that he forgot to take a picture of it. So I'm really excited to, you know, kind of see her reaction and stuff. So I'm gonna check out Poppy and see if he's willing, you know, for us to do a reaction to it, you know, just, you know, both of us. So I decided not to watch it. So this is gonna be the first time we're seeing it together. So he's downstairs, so let me run down there and see if he wants to do a reaction. I just thought it would be a good idea, right? So let's jump down here. Honey? Yeah. I'm coming down, guess what? So, guys, here he is. Oh, you on the phone?
Yeah, on.
Oh, can you talk for a second?
Yeah. Alright, okay?
All right. I was telling them that I'm doing a quick little video, and I was telling them that I just saw Crissy. They finally dropped the video of them doing the unboxing of your portrait.
Oh, did they?
Yes.
And drop the video?
Yeah, so I went on there and I saw it on the thumbnail, so I didn't want to watch it. So I said, you know what, let me come and see if you want us to do a reaction to it.
Oh, yeah, that would be good.
Yeah.
You want to do it now?
Why not?
All right, yeah, we can do it. No, hold on, let me just close on this.
Yeah.
All right.
So I'm excited. I was telling them that I haven't seen it in the frame, so
yeah, I know, right?
and I really want to see her reaction and, you know, all of that. So yeah, I just thought it would be a quick little thing.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And when I took it, when I got it framed, I didn't take a picture of it.
I told them you were too excited to send it off. Yeah.
So when I came home and I was telling wifey that I put it in the frame, she was like, let me see what it looks like. I'm like, oh man, I didn't even take a picture of it. But yeah, we can definitely react to it, man.
All right.
Can't wait to see what you think about it.
All right, let's do it then.
All right.
All right. So, babes, you ready?
Well, I'm excited, I'm nervous, everything. Guys, you never understand this, right? I've done so many drawings, but I've never actually saw someone unbox a portrait physically before. Like I was actually there with them. So this is the closest I'm gonna come to someone opening one of my portraits of themselves for the first time, right? So I know it's a video, but I never seen nobody. But
you know what too? She is really good. She better than me, because if me get a portrait, me I open it immediately. And she hold out. Crissy, oh, you do it like, girl. For real. I'd be like too excited and wanting to see it. So yeah, thumbs up to you, Crissy, because
remember, so them I go through the whole. She just had the baby and a lot of things that are going. So
well, I'm gonna have to squeeze it in somewhere as soon as we get home or something.
For real. So yeah, man, but I'm excited. I'm nervous. I never really see this yet. But yo, trust me, I can't wait to see how this unfolds. You know what I mean?
Well, let's just hope she really likes it.
All right.
Okay. And this one arrived sometime now. And we're just opening this, guys.
So I want, before I open it, I'm telling you to go subscribe over Poppyshowja right now.
Yeah.
He sent this.
Yeah.
This come maybe almost a month. I'm not gonna.
It's a month?
Or it came over 2 weeks though.
Yeah, I know it's over 2 weeks.
It's a month? Yeah, it's roughly a month.
About a month?
Yeah, it's roughly a month. 3 weeks, a month. Yeah.
That time them get it. Right. Well, we probably sent it off. We sent it off probably longer than a month, but I'm not sure exactly when they got it. But yeah, probably, yeah, probably a month, probably if not even more. You know what I mean? Straight.
Yeah, I know it's over 2 weeks. Actually, it's probably over a month. But however, guys, we're opening this. I know y'all saw we reported on it in a video before, but y'all never, you know that we were gonna get this in actual. Yo, like there's this. Just like the towel and the baby nameplate, Olivia, and the towel. is going to be a part of us. Ooh. Ooh.
But like that. She's like, ah!
When you hear Crissy, I say, Crissy, yo, I have to take this time to
so excited. Oh my.
personally apologize to you, my boss. Because you know the funniest thing, I thought this, I know people appreciate art, you know what I mean? But the male them not really take to them thing like how the women them do, you know what I mean? So the way I see her react to it, brother, trust me, star, you know, it kind of make me feel that way of me. I say, yo, I should have really probably do both of you guys, but I never really do that thing like that. Believe me, I was just.
You know worry yourself, man. I got you.
You can, Joe?
I have contacts, man. I have links. No worry yourself.
She said she have links, my boss.
I have links.
She said she got you. She got me. And me, she got General, yeah.
I have the links, man. Don't worry yourself.
Wait, I'm feeling this. Wait. Come here. I'm feeling that one.
No, wait until I do it. You want to get your reaction same time? Right, so we're showing it to you guys back way.
Cushion, so I have to do another one.
Yeah.
Back way. In there. I'm gonna open this.
Reveal yourself.
Are you guys ready?
Reveal yourself.
After 3.
1, 2, 3.
You know, so man tell me that you was gonna do that.
Yo, John,
tell me you were gonna do that. Oh man, you funny.
Yo, Mr. Meridian, brother, man, just turn on the camera upon himself. John.
Anyways, let me show that. Yo.
This is all hand drawing.
This hand, guys. This is hand.
He did this with his hand.
Yes.
Give me some.
Yo, the thing looks sick.
That's perfect.
You don't know how I feel right now for no, so me did this and to see somebody with it, you know what I mean? It's like, it's a
frame
different.
Looks nice too.
That's
a nice size. Wow.
Definitely. It's a different level of feeling, man, trust me. From doing it and to giving it to someone to see how them really react to something I did just from my hands. You know, it's a different, but I know I can't really explain the feeling here right now, you know what I mean? Yeah. For real.
And guess what you do, babes? He put it in a frame for you. I told you he did.
Yes, like this is so.
And my first time seeing the frame.
Yeah, it was kind of crazy. Like, I never thought, I guess I was so excited. When I did it, I never thought to take a picture of it so that I could show wifey when I got home. I just sent it off and I was like, honey, I put it in a frame, and she was like, you did? Let me see it. And I'm like, oh man. And I'm like, the frame was so nice, you know what I mean? But
yeah,
I was just
like, how can you just send off the thing and don't even, you know, take a picture of it? I was kind of upset, to be honest, but I was over it really
Crissy, I was just excited to make sure so I get the thing, you know what I mean? For real, star. But, yo, now go out on myself, because I love it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yo, Poppy Show, wanna do good. Wanna do well.
It's appreciated.
Babes, this gonna be a piece forever.
Yeah.
That is definitely a masterpiece. Trust me.
CMR, you hurt up me head, brother. Believe me. You make me feel bad, my G. But I star. Trust me, star.
Wow.
You make me feel bad, but Taya said she got you.
I got you.
So I'm not rain for our parade. Make she got you, you know what I mean? But me and her will talk. You don't know. Don't worry yourself.
You understand me?
I like it. Come on, let me show you guys something. Yes. Where's Carol?
Upstairs.
So someone drew this for me.
Ooh, that?
Yeah, like with their hands. Literally with their hands.
Yeah. Amelia, you like drawing, right? What you say, Kyra?
She's like, Mommy looks pretty. With
the
blue eyes. Yeah, she looks pretty with the blue. Mommy, did you draw that picture?
No.
Wow.
That is such a, you know, an honest reaction, natural reaction from the kids. The little one, she was like,
yeah, she was like, Mommy looks so pretty.
oh.
Jano.
Well, I don't know from the kids, I'm approve.
Yeah, for real. I give thanks, man. I give thanks. Many thanks.
Someone drew it for her and sent it.
Their channel is Poppyshowja.
Say thank you, Poppyshowja.
Thank you, Poppyshowja.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh. Yo, trust me. You're welcome, babies.
That was so nice.
Yeah, man, for real.
Yes. This is beautiful.
Whoa. This, are you the funny? I feel like I'm a part of it too.
Oh,
Let me do this. Give me some. And thank you so much.
Where are you gonna put that one?
In my makeup room.
In your makeup room, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I love it.
And thank you, Poppyshowja, the whole family, wifey, and you know the daughter. Thank you guys so much for check out them, the 2 channels, guys. We appreciate these. Like y'all still sending stuff.
Wow. Jano. Well, first, I just want to take a big grin off my face. Cause right now my heart is
I know,
smiling.
it's like I'm grinning so hard, like I start feeling
yeah,
pain
definitely
around here.
But Crissy, trust me, your reaction to the whole thing, it made me realize that I made no mistake when I did this portrait. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Trust me. I don't know how I was compelled to really, you know, do a portrait for you, but it just showed that, you know, I'm so connected with God, and it, you know, my heart was in the right place when I did it. You know, your reaction to the whole thing is just epic star, and if I feel any type of way about it is the fact that I really didn't consider to put CMR in it. And CMR, I know I was joking when I said I was very apologetic about it, but I kind of really feel a way though, bro. Believe me, I feel a way, you know what I mean?
He sounded so exciting and it wasn't even him, so can you imagine if
real.
you had done one of him?
Definitely, definitely. But no disrespect, I just felt like, you know, maybe as a man you would not be so in tune to it and know, you know, with Crissy and her whole makeup and everything, I think it would be a fitting piece for some kind of a room that she have over there, you know what I mean? So, Taya got you. I'm just going to leave it right there. So, you understand where I come from? For real, but how you feel about it? How you feel about it?
I love it, and I feel so proud to know that, you know, my husband did that, and that you were able to put such a, you know, a bright smile on Crissy's face, and you can tell that she's very appreciative of it, and that she really likes it, you know.
Yeah, man, for real, for real. And Crissy, let me tell you something. This when me do this, and when I done do it, I have to make sure that any other portrait I do of my wife perfect, you know, because a beard criticism, you know, because, you know, I hear say, oh, you know, Crissy, flawless, you know, perfection, you know what I mean, and do any way with hers, you know what I mean, but we give her 110% in everything that I do, you know what I mean. My portraits, I don't
love it. It's perfect.
I don't take my talent for granted. Yeah. Sorry, it doesn't matter what I do, I just always do it to 110%. So I really appreciate, you know, how you guys, you know, react to the portrait, and not only on the video, but you know how you love on the fact that someone did something for you guys, and it's a blessing for me to be able to bless others like this. So I want to say really thank you guys for showcasing my artwork, my talent, and my family, my channel. Really appreciate you guys, you know. Yes,
absolutely.
Straight,
that's definitely a masterpiece. That's something that they will never forget.
Definitely. Yeah, man. So we want to, guys, big up on yourself. To all our pop stars, you know, keep on supporting Poppy Show. Keep on supporting Poppy Show. Check out our merchandise over on Teespring. Sorry about that. And
we have a join membership.
Yeah, we have a membership as well. You know, you can check that out. And also share us out to someone who you think might enjoy our content. We have some great, amazing content over here. You know, we're trying to inspire, we're trying to motivate, we're trying to showcase God within the family. And we're just doing great stuff. You know, we feel it, we know we're doing great stuff and working on behalf of the Most High God. And we try to just empower, inspire everyone who come in contact with us, you know. So guys, this is another Poppy Show video. We know we never love it, so just thumbs it up, okay? Thumbs it up.
Please.
Share it out to somebody who you think might enjoy it. We want to also say thank you again to the Carter family.
Yes.
We really appreciate you guys.
Definitely.
And until next time, guys, Poppyshowja out.
Peace.